Good evening, Yundong. Hundong. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Oh, what is? Hello? Can you hear teacher? Hello, hello. Good evening. Oh, hello. Good evening, Yundong. Good evening and welcome, welcome again to our class for today. How are you today, Hundong? Are you happy today?
Yes,
How? Yes, okay, let's say, I'm happy.
I have
Very good. Okay, good job. So now, are you ready to learn our lesson for today? Ready, ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good job. So before we start our new lesson, play. Let's play some game Yundong. So you will choose a number and we will answer some questions. So this is based from our lesson last time. So now, Can you choose a number, Yundong? What number would you like?
Number
What number?
eight.
Number 8? Okay. Okay, so
I.
what's this? This is if you still remember.
Paper.
Okay, very good. So this is paper. Very good. So next,
Paper.
good job. Next number, number. Choose another number. Number. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, you are there. Okay. So now,
Yeah.
can you choose another number? Can you choose another number? What
Number six, seven, 6, 7.
7? Okay, so Yundong, what is this? This,
This one. Blue.
huh? Blue?
Blue.
Okay, very good. This is glue.
Blue.
Okay, choose another number.
Uh,
Number? What number?
number 6,
6, 7? Number?
7,
Number 7.
7.
Okay, so number 1. Let's look at number 1, Yundong. What's this? What's this? Mm,
I can
this?
take
Huh?
7.
This one?
I can see.
Oh, you can see? Really? This one, number 1. Oh, I cannot zoom it. Let me try to open it. This
Pen,
what
pen,
what is it?
pen,
Okay, let's say
pen.
this. This is
My pen. It's
okay,
a pen.
very good. Let's say paint. Paint. Pa pa paint, not pant. Let's say paint.
Oh,
Paint.
oh, pen.
Okay, very good. So this is paint. Very good. Next, choose another number. Number. What number would you like? What
Number
number?
1.
Okay, number 1. Oh, teacher, your chalk. So who said that? Let's show the. Oh, you know. Hello. Oh no, what is happening with Zoom right now? Can you s- can you see teacher? Can you see me? Hello. Oh, oh hello. Okay. So again, what's this, Yundong? This.
Pen.
This.
This a pen.
Okay, very good. This is neat. Okay, another number. What number? Hmm. Number six? What number would you like? What number?
Six, seven.
Six? Oh, we don't
Number
have
two.
seven. Number two. Okay. Okay, again, what's this? This is. What's this? This
This
is.
is
What is this? Do you still remember? G, g, gl. What's this? G, g.
blue.
Okay,
This is
very,
blue.
very good. This is glue. Okay, choose another number. Number, number three, number four, number five, or number six? What number? Number? What number? Number? A number? Hello? What number yun dong? What number do you
Blue.
like? Number
Three.
three. Okay. What's this? This? What's this? This is. Hmm. What's this?
Happy.
Oh, happy? What's this? Do you still remember? This is pay paper. Okay, one more time. Let's say
Right.
this, this is paper. Okay, let's say this.
Paper.
Okay, let's say it in complete sentence. Is this is paper. This. Okay, so this is paper. So next, let's move on to our next number. What number would you like? Choose another number. What number? That number. Number? Number four, five, or six? Four, five, or six?
Six.
What no? Oh, number six. Okay. Okay, what's this, Yundong? Is it the pen? Is it the pen? Is it the pen? Yes or no? Yundong. What is this? Oh, can you still hear teacher? You can still hear teacher? Okay, again. So again, Yundong,
This.
this. Okay, very good. So this is chalk. Okay, another number. Four or five? Number
Four.
four. Okay. So what's this?
Five.
This. This.
This.
Okay.
Young.
Okay, very good. Let's say it in complete sentence. This is.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. This is car. So number five, our last one. What's this?
This. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
This is tape. This is tape. Tape. Thank you. Tape.
Thank you.
Tape.
Tape. One more time. Let's say tape. Tape.
This.
Tape.
Uh,
Pumpkin.
This is tape. This is tape. Tape.
Tape.
Tape. Tape. Tape.
Okay.
Tape.
Okay, let's say tape. 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 Tape.
Tape.
Okay,
Thank
very
you.
pumpkin.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, very good,
Thank you.
Yundong. Very good for this review. So now, let's move on to our new lesson for today. So,
Thank you.
what is
Thank
bangkyo?
you. Hello.
What is bangkyo? What's bangkyo? Okay, so now,
Thank you.
what is that? What do we mean by
Thank you. There is
what
tape. Thank you.
teacher bangkyo?
Thank you.
Okay,
Like tape.
so now, tape.
Thank you.
Teacher's bangkyo.
Thank you. Tape. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's move on. Let's move on to our new
You
lesson
need
for today.
you need 1 hour.
Huh? Okay,
Two. You
unit
need thank
two.
you.
Okay, let's say art class. Art class.
Good.
Okay, very good. So for our unit 2, we are
Good.
still we are still in art class. So we will
Good.
yeah, so for our lesson 2 or our new lesson, we will talk about colors. Color. Okay, very good. So Yundong, before we start, very good. Before we start our new lesson, Yundong, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is my
What's
favorite. My favorite color is
wow,
orange.
my
Ê, cái núi
favorite?
màu hồng, cái núi màu xanh lá cây, cái núi màu đỏ kìa. Im đi. Okay. My favorite color is orange. My favorite color is orange. Color. Orange.
Is
Hay sao nghe không đọc? Color là
orange.
gì? Color. Color is
Is
orange.
okay, very good. That's so good. So your favorite color is orange. So now in our lesson we will talk about colors. So now let's so now let's start our new lesson and let's listen first to the things or to the first or to the words that we will learn in our new lesson. Red.
Orange. Yellow.
Wow. Okay, let's listen to the
Page
sound.
14. Lesson 2. Colors.
White.
A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
And six,
Red.
seven.
Except
2,
It's about you.
Yellow.
3,
Blue.
4,
White.
White.
5,
Black.
Okay, so now let's read the words that we have here. So let's have our first color. Let's say red. Red. Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Blue.
Blue.
One more time. Blue, very good, not glue. Glue is an art supply. Blue is color. So next, white. Let's say white.
White. White.
And
White.
okay, very good. And black. Okay, good job. So those are our colors for this lesson. So now, let's go with, again, our first color. What color is this, Yundong? It's color. What color is it? It's color. What
Red.
color? Okay, very good. Its color red. So now, Yundong, do you like color red? Do you like red?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
No.
That's a no?
No.
Oh, you don't like? Oh, no, I don't
Không
like.
biết là máu.
No.
Máu sao nó máu. Nước.
No.
Máu thì máu.
Okay, so let's move on to our next
No, I
color.
don't red.
No, I don't like red.
Máu
Okay,
thì
okay, let's say no.
because he's scary of nước.
Oh, okay, so let's move on to our next color. What color is this? Huh?
Gì? Yeah.
It's
Yellow.
yellow. Very,
Yellow.
very good. It's
Yellow.
yellow. Okay, so next,
Yellow.
our third color. What?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's
Yellow.
say yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Let's say yellow, yellow, yellow. Red, red, red.
Yellow. 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 Yellow.
Red,
Yellow.
red, red, red. Okay. So,
Yellow. Yellow.
okay.
Yellow. 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 Yellow.
Okay, very
Yellow.
good. Very good. So
Yellow.
now,
Yellow.
now Yundong, let's move on to our next color. What color
Blue.
is it?
Blue. Blue.
It's okay, let's say it's blue.
Blue.
It's
Blue.
blue.
Blue. Blue. Blue. Blue. Blue.
Okay, very good. Let's say it in sentence. Let's say
Blue.
it's blue. It's blue.
Is blue. Is
Not
blue.
not
Is
blue. Let's say blue.
Is
B b blue.
Is
B
blue.
b blue.
Blue.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next, what color? What color is it? Hundong. What color? What color is it?
White.
It's
White. White. White.
white. Very
White.
good.
White.
It's
White.
white.
White. White. White.
Okay, one more time. I say white.
White.
Very good. Nice. Good job. Next, and our last color is what color is this? White. Very good. That's so nice. How about this one? What color is it? It's it's black.
Black. Black.
Black.
Black.
Okay. Okay, one more time. Let's say black. Black.
Black.
Black.
Black.
Black. Okay, very good. So do black, 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 black. Okay, very good. That's so nice. Black. Okay. O- Okay, good job. Good job, Yundong. So those are the colors that we have. Again, let's say the colors that we have. We have red, red, yellow, blue,
No red, no red, no red, no red, no red, no red,
no
no
red.
red, no red.
Why no red? You don't like red? Why you don't like red? Okay.
No. They
No.
scare blue. Blue.
Oh, that's why. Okay, so now let's move on.
No.
No, no red. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on to the new sentence
Rồi
pattern that
sao?
we will learn to this lesson. So let's first listen, and after that, we will read and we will study the sentence pattern. Okay, so
Page
let's
14.
listen first.
B.
Listen.
Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What color is it?
It's red.
Red.
It's. It is.
Okay, so now let's move on. Let's now read the sentence or question and answer that we have here. Let's first read what color is it? Let's say this one. What color? Let's say what color?
Its color is
What?
it red.
Okay, very good. So we have here the question, what color is it? So this is how we ask about the color of something. So this is what we ask. This is the question that we ask to know about the color of something. So for example, this one. So what color is it? We answer it by, it's red. Okay, so let's, okay, very good. So let's try something. This one. Look at teacher Yundong. What color is it? This one. What color is it?
It's black.
Okay, one more time. Let's say black. Black. Ba, ba, ba. Let's say ba, ba. Oh, very good. Ba, ba, black. It's very good. Black. Not cracks. Black.
Not black. Black. Black.
Black.
Black.
Black.
Black.
Black. Again, let's say black. Black. Okay. How about this one, Yundong? What color is it? What color is it? It's
No red. No
no
red.
but what color is it? It's red. Okay, let's
No red.
no red, no red.
No red.
Okay, how about this one? What color is it?
It's a blue.
Okay, very good. It's blue. How about
It's a blue.
it's blue? How about this
It's a
one?
cold.
What color is it? It's this one na lang.
It's a white. White. It's a
Okay,
white.
very good. It's white. So again, that is how we say, or that is how we talk about the colors. So we will say it's red, it's white, it's black, or
Nhớ
if
khuôn mặt đẹp trai của tôi.
that is how we answer the question, what color is it? So we will say it's, and what is the color that is being asked. So now again, let's practice the things that we have here. So let's go first with number 1. So Yundong, what color is it? This one, number 1. What color is it? It's what color? Is it black? Is it black?
Red.
Okay, very
No.
good. It's red. How about number 2?
Màu. Màu. Sao máu? Máu đâu máu sao?
How about number 2, Hundong? What color is it? Mao? What color is it?
Máu.
It's what color is it? Is it red? Is it color red? No, it isn't. What color is it? It's what color? It's let's say it's yellow. It's yellow. It's yellow. It's yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, again, yun dong. What color is it? It's yellow. Okay, let's move on to number 3. What color is it? What color is it? It's blue. Is it color black, Hundong? Yes or no? Is it black? No, it isn't. So what color is it? It's blue. Blue, blue, blue. Okay, next. How about this one, Hundong? What color is it? Is it color blue? No, it isn't. Okay, let's say it's it's white. Let's say white. White, white, white. Oh no, what is happening? Are you okay, Hundong? Oh no, why? No, don't cry. It's okay. Don't cry, Hundong. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's say it's white. It's okay, Hundong. Don't cry. We are close to finishing. We only have 2 minutes. It's white. And our last one, what color is it, Yundong? It's black. Okay, very good. So good job. You are very good. So, okay, so again, let's review the colors that we have. It's red. It's yellow. It's blue. Okay, very good. Good job. So those are our colors and how we answer the question, what color is it? So again, let's read the question and answer that we have here. So let's say, what color is it? What color is it?
What color is
It's what color is it? It's red.
it? Red, it's
It's
yellow, it's blue, white, black.
okay, wow, very good. So good job, good job, good job for this lesson. So okay, so I think Hundong, we are close to finishing our lesson. So for this lesson, so I want you to review the things that we had learned today, especially the colors red, yellow, blue, white, and black. Most especially the word black. Okay, so practice reading the word black, 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 so that you will be able to read it well or better in the future, okay? And also practice our sentence pattern. Okay, Hundong? Hundong. Smile now. Okay, so goodbye, Hundong, and thank you so much for your time today. You can now rest. Smile now, smile. Goodbye. It's okay, don't be angry. Bye, 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 Hundong. Oh no, Hundong doesn't want to say bye. Goodbye. Bye, bye, Hundong. Goodbye. Okay, I will end the meeting. Bye, bye. See you again next Sunday.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.